Just one extra part, which is actually quite strange, but after the previous video, I was just trying to run the same piece of code, and I just do hit Control Return to run it a second and third time. And I've noticed that the indentation actually did come in. So it's one of those things. Was it the commentator's curse when you try to run it in live mode, it doesn't work, and then the minute you close everything down and run it, it works beautifully. And then I ran it a second time, and actually its indentation slightly different. It's using 2 white spaces instead of the standard 4 white spaces. And I just wonder actually if I try and run it again. Yeah, now it's just moved back to 4 white spaces. So it's a little bit random in the sense of how it works. But yeah, that in the indentation part of it is, and even the results part is a little bit semi-random, shall we say. I didn't use any other different parameters in particular. We were playing around with the max tokens, which I adjusted to 2048, and the temperature I changed up to 1.5, and I think I used zero point 0.8 as well at one point. But none of the other parameters changed, and the the prompt string never changed either. So yeah, this is the fully working bit, but sometimes it's temperamental, which is a little bit odd. And sometimes, but not always, it returns a slightly different answer as well. And that's it.